Alrighty guys, so if you're in third, fourth, and fifth grade, it's time for us to make our portfolios. If you were here last year at Christie, then you've already made one before, but you're gonna need to make one for this year. So do whatever you need to do, sign in to your Chromebook. If you have a QR code that you need to use, awesome. Go ahead and get signed in. We'll take a couple minutes for everyone to get signed in, but just give Mr. Punt and I a thumbs up and we will move on. All right, now we need to go to Google Classroom. Some people have an app for it already. Sometimes I just go to Chrome. You can go to your Launchpad with all your apps. If you have Google Classroom already there, awesome. But find some way to get to Google Classroom and give us a thumbs up. All right, now this is important. I already have all my classes because I made them, but you will not have our new art classroom. You're gonna need to press the plus button. The what button? The plus. And then instead of creating class, you're gonna press join a class. This is where you need to put in the code. Now I'm going to pause the video and give you your class code because there's a different class code for every single art studio, third, fourth, and fifth. So I'm gonna write it on the board. If you could just type it in exactly how you see it. Once you see our Google Classroom, just give us a thumbs up and we'll move on. Okay, so you guys should see the art classroom by now. I'm just gonna use fifth grade as an example, but this will apply whether you're in third, fourth, or fifth. If you click classwork, you're going to see your portfolio at the top. It says portfolio and then click here. Guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna click there and open it up. Yours might be a different color, that's okay. Fifth grade just happens to be green this year. I don't know why. Give us a thumbs up when you have your Google portfolio open. Okay, some of this you are going to do on your own, but I at least want to show you how to do it. First thing you're gonna switch is the grade. I'm gonna pretend that I'm in fifth grade, so I'm gonna type in fifth grade. And if you don't know how to spell it, whatever your grade level is will be up here in the top left corner. You're gonna put your name. You can put your first name. You can put your last name too, if you want to. My first name's Joseph, my last name's Bofield. School, Christie Elementary. If you don't know how to spell Christie Elementary, I'm spelling it right now. And then you need to put your classroom teacher. So I'm just gonna say that I have Mrs. Smith as my teacher. Type in your teacher's name. If you don't know how to spell it, just try your best. But do not put me. I want you to put your classroom teacher. Give us a thumbs up once you're ready. All right, let's go to the next slide. All right, so it has a picture of a creepy Van Gogh. It says, hello, I am blank. I hope to learn more about blank in art this year. You guys are going to take a selfie. Now, if you don't want to take a selfie, that's fine. If you have another image on your computer, that's cool too. You are going to click the Van Gogh and then press replace image and then go to camera. Let me do that one more time for you. Are you listening? Okay, good. Click Crazy Van Gogh, replace image. It's right up there. Go down to camera. And then it might ask you if you want to allow the camera. Yes, you want to allow the camera, otherwise it won't work. And then take a selfie. So let me get a good smile here. Cheese. Perfect. And then press replace. And then there you are. You can take a selfie with a friend. It can be a picture of just you. If you don't want to take a selfie, you can just replace image and then search the web for an image, or you may have an image on your computer you want to upload. But give us a thumbs up once you have something. Okay, if you didn't get your selfie yet, it's all good. You can do that later. So I am blank. You can put I just happen to be 28 years old. You could say I am a good artist. You could give us another fact. I'm just gonna say I am an art teacher. How did you not know that? I hope to learn more about blank in art this year. So I'm gonna get all those dots. You can just backspace it, back. I hope to learn more about, I'm gonna hope to learn more about you guys this year and what you all want to create. But maybe there's something that you really want to create this year. Maybe you want to create a robot out of cardboard, or you want to do more clay this year. Put this here because Mr. Punt and I will actually read these, and that's how we're going to design our year together. So give us a couple bits of information and we'll move on. All right, so we are going to move on to our project for this year. But if you finish early today, feel free to open up your Chromebook and start decorating your portfolio. I left all this room right here so that you can change the color. Look, I can change the background. Maybe I don't like this color. I'll make it, I don't know, darker green. I might press insert, image. Maybe I love Peppa Pig. I'm just obsessed with Peppa Pig. So I could look up Peppa Pig, insert it, and start decorating. Maybe you want to add a song or a link to a YouTube video you want us to watch. Totally cool. But that's what you can do when you are done today. At this time, if you have those first two filled out, let's go ahead and close our Chromebooks because we are going to start our art project today. Have a good one.